So you guys want to know why people lose at crypto, at investing, at all that type of stuff? Because the best time to invest is actually the worst time. And this time right now reminds me of March of 2020, very similar. We remember March of 2020, the pandemic, the world is ending, everyone has to stay in their houses, people cannot have contact anymore, we're all gonna die. And then you move to June of 2022 and we've got inflation. The consumers have no purchasing power. The gas keeps going up. It's over $5 a gallon. It won't stop. We got an inflation report last week that was horrible. Inflation keeps going up. It won't stop. People are paying $40 for fast food because everything is going up and everyone's like, Luna crashes, cryptocurrency's a scam, don't invest. It's so funny, like now, maybe not now, right now, but around this time is when you want to be buying cryptocurrency. Now, what I would recommend, let me go to BTC. What I would recommend with Bitcoin is, I was actually drawing some crap, but basically, guys, if you're looking to invest into altcoins or Bitcoin, but I'm sure most people, it's going to be altcoins. You don't have the money to invest into Bitcoin. If you have $10,000, you could buy around a little less than half of Bitcoin. So more than likely, you're going into alts. What I'm drawing here, or what I drew, is my expectations for BTC and the two possible paths it could follow within the next few weeks. Now, BTC is down to 23K. There is resistance there is support at around 22K. We'll see if it holds that. If it doesn't, it's probably bottoming out to around 14K. Now, if you're someone looking to invest into altcoins, let BTC establish a bottom. It is free falling right now, which you do not want to catch a falling knife. So you don't want to invest here if it's going to go down to here, especially with altcoins, because if BTC goes down all the way down here, altcoins are going to lose over half of their value. So if you think, well, I'm going to invest right now, the whole market's down, you might want to wait a few weeks, let it establish some sort of support in this channel, which I think it will, but again, this is just speculation. Let it establish some sort of support in this channel and then invest. Don't invest as it's free falling, especially into the altcoins. The altcoin dominance is at basically 2-year low. The altcoin dominance right now is 11%. So it is extremely low. And you look at all the crypto prices, BNB 57% over the last year. Ethereum, people have been talking about, we were talking about Ethereum going down to possibly $200. Now that would not be good for cryptocurrency, but in terms of buying it, holy crap. Guys, if you are going to invest into cryptocurrency or whatever, you have to embrace times like this. And this is where real investors actually thrive. Again, I'm not saying to invest right now. Let's let BTC establish some support. Let's let BTC establish a bottom. I would much rather let BTC establish a bottom and then invest maybe right here, where no, you're not investing at the absolute all-time low, but it's close enough, rather than say, I'm going to get the low and then it's going to shoot back up and then it goes further down. Right now, it's free falling. It is free falling. That's six straight red candles. Let's let BTC establish a bottom, whether that's 22K or 14K, and let's see some linear price action at least for a week if you're looking at the altcoins or if you're looking at buying BTC, because they are free falling right now. And the idea that you're going to hit on the exact bottom, there's no reason to take that risk. Even if you get in when it's a little bit higher, it's better than taking the risk of trying to nail the bottom, because basically, technically right now, it's the bottom, at least in the past, 7 or 8 months. We could still see it go further because it is free falling. That is just my advice when it comes to getting into cryptocurrency. The coin I'm really looking at is ADA, and I've been frustrated because it's performed a little bit better than most of the market. It's only down 9% in its last month compared to, it's performed significantly better than Bitcoin in the last month. Bitcoin's down 20%, ADA's down 9%, but ADA is I'm not going to recommend any coins, but it's a little fun coin to get into if you are someone that's just trying to buy more. I was heavily invested into crypto in 2017, 2018. I took it all out. But this is just a great buying opportunity right now with many of these different coins. I mean, this is, if you want to be an investor, man, this is a beautiful, again, if you're not in yet, this is a beautiful opportunity to let BTC establish a bottom and then start investing. So this is definitely, I've been tracking this for the past 2 or 3 weeks to see what happened. There were people saying we were going to see a spike. There were people saying we were going to bottom out. You know, it looks like we are seeing the bottoming out of Bitcoin with the current world events, the inflation, everything like that. If you are going to invest into cryptocurrency, these are the type of times you have to thrive in. And I would say, let's wait, let's let it stop free falling, let it establish some sort of, bottom, whether that's here, or here, wherever it is. All right, this is just for people that hate Bitcoin and only invest in stocks. You can pull up one graph and it'll just shut them up completely, because there's so many people right now that are like, you shouldn't be invested into cryptocurrency. It's just going to go down. Guys, I will never invest into a stock in my life, ever. And I'll take 2 clicks. I'll show you why. 2 clicks. Let's compare Bitcoin and how horrible it's doing to the stock market. Oh, man. So there it is. The stock market is up. Oh, my God. It's up 15%. Oh, what a miracle. And then there's Bitcoin down at its high of 665%. It's all the way down to only 161%. How will we ever survive? But we should invest in stocks and make $20. Oh my God. Amazon goes up 15%. Whoop-dee-doo. Guys, if you invest in the stock market, man, you're a fool. Like, seriously, BTC is down this much and it's still, in this time frame, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's off the graph. It's not even comparable. Not even comparable. But yes, cryptocurrency's fake. Cryptocurrency sucks. You can't make money off of it. Look how bad Bitcoin is compared to the stock market. I mean, it's just a linear line. The Dow is a linear line. That's how better BTC has performed than the stock market. And I know it's down right now and it may keep falling, but it's just perspective to understand, like,